The reality of food access in the Chesapeake Bay Foodshed. A community action project for the Civic Agriculture and Food Systems minor. My name is Millie Smith, and I am a junior in Humanities, Science, and Environment. The community partner for my project was the Chesapeake Foodshed Network, a group of organizations, agencies, and individuals from across the Chesapeake Bay region working to build a more resilient food system. Specifically within the CFN, I worked with the Data Working Group, which is a collaborative team that operates as the research branch of the CFN and seeks to gather information about every aspect of the regional food system. My project focused on the topic of food access. You might be wondering what food access is, and I'll admit that it's a little difficult to define. Food access is a complex issue that is connected to many aspects of the food system. Some determine it by assessing distance to markets. Some investigate the different kinds of markets and how people access them. Others analyze access to healthy foods, and many compare it to demographic and health data for a given region. I took this into account when beginning my research and decided, with the Data Working Group, that instead of limiting myself to a single topic, I would collect information about all contributing factors to food access over the Chesapeake Bay region. To organize this and meet the needs of the Data Working Group, I developed an easily accessible database where I aggregated reports and datasets that related to food access from all corners of the region. As I found reports from organizations, agencies, and individuals throughout the Foodshed, I used the database to record key information such as title, organization, data description, URL, region, and year published. I used a number of search engines and keywords to find relevant organizations and reports. After reading thoroughly through the articles, I recorded the data categories that they addressed. These categories included income, health information, proximity to different markets, federal program participation, healthy food availability, food policy, and more. Partway through my project, I decided with the Data Working Group to push beyond collecting reports on my own. I developed a Google form that was sent out to regional and national listservs with the intention to crowdsource data collection and make the food access database a more democratic network tool. I learned and grew in many ways throughout my Capstone project. My research provides a foundation for continued work and discovery, but gaps certainly exist, and there is still research and action to be done. With a collective understanding of food access in our region, hopefully we can move forward in building a more equitable food system. This project upholds the Civic Ag cornerstones of food security and sovereignty, as well as collaborative teaching and experiential learning. It addresses both human and social capital through knowledge and networks in the community. My project would not have been possible without Christy Gabbard, the CFN Data Working Group, Susan Clark, Jenny Schwenke, and the entire Capstone cohort. I'm incredibly grateful for the guidance, expertise, and encouragement. Thank you.